Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel All in One. In this video, we are going to study the notes and question and answers of class 6 Social Science, chapter 13, that is Sultans of Delhi. If you want the notes of other lesson or other subject, you can check my playlist of my channel. You can easily get from there. Exercises. First one, fill in the blanks with the suitable word. First question. In the first battle of Tehran, Dash was defeated by Prithviraj Chauhan. Answer. Muhammad Gori. Second question. Alauddin Khilji built a fort named Dash in Delhi. Answer. Alai Darwaza. Third question. Ibrahim Lodi was defeated in the first battle of Panipat by Dash. Babur. Second one, answer the following questions in a sentence. First question, against whom did Muhammad Gori win the second battle of Tehran? Answer, against Prithviraj Chauhan, Muhammad Gori won the second battle of Tehran. Second question, who built Qutub Minar? Answer, Kutubuddin Aibak started to build Qutub Minar, but it was completed during the period of Sultan Iltutmish. Third question, who was the only woman who ruled during the Delhi Sultanate? Answer, Razia Sultana was the only woman who ruled during the Delhi Sultanate. Fourth question, who was the general of Alauddin Khilji who attacked the South India? Answer, Malik Kafur was the general of Alauddin Khilji who attacked the South India. Fifth question, from where to where did Muhammad bin Tughalaq shift the capital? Answer, Muhammad bin Tughalaq shifted the capital from Delhi to Devagiri. Sixth question, who was the Sultan of Delhi who claimed to be the representative of God? Answer, Balban was the Sultan of Delhi who claimed to be the representative of God. Third one, discuss in groups and answer. First question, what were the results of Muhammad Ghazni's invasions? Answer, 3 centuries after the Arab invasion, Muhammad Ghazni attacked India. Next point, of Turkey's origin, Muhammad was the Sultan of Ghazni, a small kingdom in Afghanistan. Next point, he invaded India for 17 times, looting and destroying prosperous cities and wealthy temples. Next point, among such temples included Sri Krishna temple at Mathura and the rich and sacred temple of Somanath. Second question, state the achievements of Kutubuddin Aibak. Answer, the achievements of Kutubuddin Aibak. First one, Kutubuddin was the first Sultan of Delhi. Second point, he strengthened the Turkish rule in India by defeating his enemies. Third point, to mark his victory, he started constructing Qutub Minar at Mehrauli near Delhi. Third question, state the policies of Alauddin Khilji and their results. Answer, the policies of Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin introduced several reforms in administrative, military, and economic fields. He regulated the price of goods commonly consumed. He banned consumption of liquor and gambling in Delhi. The guilty were severely punished. Fourth question, why did the policies of Muhammad bin Tughlaq fail? Answer, lack of proper plans and preparation. Muhammad Tughlaq policies were failed. Fifth question, what were the social and economic conditions during the rule of the Sultans of Delhi? Answer, during the Sultanate period, the Urdu language evolved. Amir Khusrau and Amir Hassan were great Persian poets of the period. Ramananda, Kabir Das, Rai Das, and Mirabai belonged to this period. Next, economy. The burden of the revenue heavily fell on the peasants. Muhammad bin Tughlaq further increased the land revenue and got it collected mercilessly. Consequently, peasants revolted everywhere. Next one, weaving was a major occupation of people. The cities provided employment to a large number of workers on account of brisk building activities taking place there. Sixth question, what were the contributions of the Delhi Sultans to architecture and literature? Answer, first point, the main structures built by the sultans were the famous Qutub Minar, Alai Darwaza, an impressive entrance, Qutub ul Islam Mosque, and the fort of Siri. All these are in Delhi. Next point, during the Sultanate period, Urdu language evolved. Amir Khusro and Amir Hassan were great Persian poets. Next point, Amir Khusro was a great musician and evaluated musical instruments such as tabla, sitar, and others. Next point, the poet Jayashi wrote Padmavat in Urdu, which was a Sufi poem. Next one, match the following. Next, fourth one, match the contents in list A with list B and write. First one, JC. Answer C, Padmavat. Second question, Daulatabad. Answer D, Devagiri. Third one, Alauddin Khilji. Answer A, Alai Darwaza. Fourth one, Amir Khusrua. Answer B, Sitar. So this is all about your lesson number 13, Sultans of Delhi. as I told you, if you want more lessons, check the playlist of my channel. You can easily get from there. Thank you.